In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to trigger voice AI calls from any CRM using n8n. This tutorial will guide you step by step through setting up a workflow in n8n that allows you to seamlessly integrate voice call capabilities directly within your chosen CRM. Whether you're using HubSpot, Salesforce, GoHighLevel, Airtable, Pipedrive, or others, I'll show you how to make this work effortlessly. First, what you'll need to do is open n8n, the powerful workflow automation tool that acts as the backbone of many process automations. Once you've got n8n up and running, the next step is to create a new workflow. This will serve as the foundation for our voice calling functionality. You can do this by clicking on the Create Workflow button. It's important to give your new workflow a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. In this case, let's call it CRM Voice Calling, so that it's easy to identify and manage later on. Now, without further ado, let's bring in a CRM trigger to get things moving. The trigger is essentially the starting point for our workflow, the event that will initiate the voice call. Depending on the CRM you're using, you'll select the corresponding trigger. Examples of these might include a HubSpot trigger, Salesforce trigger, or perhaps a Pipedrive trigger, among others. For this example, let's imagine you're working with a scenario where a new lead is created in your CRM. This will serve to activate the workflow, propelling all subsequent actions. Once your trigger is in place, the next focus is on extracting crucial contact information. This means retrieving essential fields such as the lead's name, phone number, company, and email. Picture it like plucking valuable data from your CRM and handing it over to the next step of the workflow, ensuring it's primed for the voice call we're aiming to initiate. Consider, for example, having details such as John Smith with the phone number +15512345567 from ABC Inc. and his email johnexample.com. These details are essential for the voice call process, where accurate contact information is crucial. Now let's talk about something incredibly vital, validating the phone number. It's a small step, but incredibly important. For this, you'll need to add an IF node to your workflow. This allows you to set conditions for phone numbers. For instance, you can check if the phone number field is not empty, ensuring that calls aren't attempted with missing information. There's also room to polish this by removing spaces or dashes and converting phone numbers to the standardized E174 format. This ensures that numbers are uniformly formatted and ready for telecommunication systems to recognize globally. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully set up a system in n8n to automate voice call triggering directly from your CRM. This can dramatically enhance the efficiency of how your team reaches out to leads, optimizing the contact process for better engagement. Remember, automation doesn't just save time, it also streamlines your workflow, reducing the possibility of human error and ultimately elevating your business operations. Happy automating!